Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Pepa Inu token. Now this token just got listed on CoinMarketCap just today, brand new listing. Right now it's up 57.64%. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here, the Pepa Inu token. So Pepa Inu is a BSC meme token. Pepa is a community-driven token that can't be controlled by anyone. With growing support and potential widespread adoption, we believe Pepa Inu and Pepe, so it's a mix between Peppa Pig and Pepe the Frog, and that is why it is a green pig, will be the next big thing in the meme cryptocurrency. Just like Shiba, Floki, Pepa Inu has a real chance of going viral, and that's what the blurb says there on Pink Sale. So they had a Pink Sale pre-sale. They set their hard cap at 50 BNB. It was a public pre-sale. They had 105 different investors contribute to the pre-sale, and they ended up selling out 50 BNB worth of tokens. Their official webpage, peppa-inu.com. They have a Twitter at Peppa_Inu. Telegram, GitHub, and Instagram are also listed on Pink Sale. And they had a full audit by Analytics Audit, and you can view the PDF of that audit on Pink Sale as well. Peppa is the ticker symbol, 9 decimal places on this token. There is a total supply of 420 quadrillion tokens, 140 quadrillion tokens for pre-sale, 71 quadrillion for liquidity. So now that the pre-sale is over, if you wanted to buy this token, all you'd have to do is fund your Trust wallet or your MetaMask wallet with Binance Smart Chain. Go into the dApps, find PancakeSwap, and then trade your BSC for the Pepa Inu token using the contract address that you could find on their webpage. You can find it on CoinMarketCap now on their BSC scan, which is on CoinMarketCap. You can find it all over. Just make sure you have the right contract address. And you may have to set slippage if that's in the tokenomics. We'll go over that in a second. And it says liquidity will be locked on PancakeSwap for 6 months. So according to their token metrics pie chart, 52.1% of the tokens will get burnt as well. There's also a free and quick light audit in the discussion section on Pink Sale, and there's no bad warnings on it whatsoever. It says no mint function found. Owner cannot mint tokens after initial deployment. Owner cannot change the fees over 25%. Owner cannot set max transaction. Owner cannot change trading status. And owner cannot set a blacklist. But if you go over to CoinMarketCap, there is a warning on CoinMarketCap, and it says the contract owner may contain the authority to modify the transaction tax. Please exercise caution and before taking any action, and thoroughly do your own research. So be aware of that. They're saying they can alter the transaction tax on here, which means, it doesn't necessarily mean like 100% that this token is going to be a scam, but it definitely has the potential to be a scam, depending on how high also they can alter the transaction tax, because it doesn't give an exact number on CoinMarketCap here. Let's see if it does on Pink Sale. I'm not sure if it gave one either. Let me check on Pink Sale. Oh, it says up to 25%. So it says owner can't change fees over 25%. So, I mean, that might be uncomfortable for some investors right there. Even being able to change it up to 25% can be pretty high. So, again, thoroughly do your own research. Investigate the token first before even thinking about getting this token. Now, they do have a full white paper. If you go over to their official webpage, you can find a white paper. Their webpage, again, is at Peppa Pepa-inu.com. They have roadmap, how to buy, in case you didn't understand what I said, PooCoin chart, DEX tools, meme market, partners, futures, merchandise, NFT section. The NFTs and the merchandise are coming soon. Those aren't available yet. But their white paper is available on here. Looks like it is 13 pages long. So Pepa Inu is a new and exciting meme-based crypto project that aims to revolutionize the world of meme coins. With a community-driven approach and passion for memes, Pepa Inu is designed to bring fun and innovation to the cryptocurrency market. The white paper serves as a comprehensive guide to Pepa Inu project, outlining vision, features, and roadmap. By providing transparency and clarity about the project, Pepa Inu aims to establish trust and credibility among its users and investors. Whether you are seasoned cryptocurrency investors or you're new to the market, this white paper will provide you with valuable insights and unique features of the project. So Pepa Inu is led by a passionate and experienced team with a clear vision for the future of the project. The team consists of two brothers from the Netherlands, and it goes over a little bit of their background. You can read about that. Tokenomics are on here. We already went over that already, split up 3 ways. So their journey, the roadmap is on here. Phase 1 is going to be launch the website, build the community, launch pre-sale, and then apply for CoinGecko CoinMarketCap listings. So that's kind of where we're at right now. They just got listed on CoinMarketCap. And then next is develop the Pepa meme market and then reach 1,000 Telegram members. Phase 2 is going to be launch marketing campaign, get listed on exchanges, develop the Pepa voting system, open limited Pepa merch shop, start the ambassador program, and then reach 5,000 Telegram members. Phase 3 is going to be release Pepa meme market v1.0, launch NFT collection, establish partnerships, release Pepa voting system v1.0, and launch celebrity marketing campaigns, and then reach 15,000 Telegram members. So they're going to have the future pools, where this is a feature that allows users to get, if you know what futures are, basically, it can be very sketchy. It's kind of like, investing in crypto, except it's more betting if it's going to go up or down by, it's way more volatile. So I would read in depth about futures before even thinking about caring about future pools. But yeah, so that'd be a whole different topic, whole different webpage, but it can be very sketchy. So don't get involved with futures unless you are an expert and you know what you're doing and you've done all your research and yada, yada, yada. And then they have the Pepa Care, which is the voting system over here. So it's going to be like kind of like governance. You can stake NFTs in the future and get an APR percentage. They show you the token can also be used for payment methods, voting, future pools, and then they're going to have marketing on here. They've made their own little pop cans here, Peppa Cola, which is pretty funny. They're going to have partnerships in the future, and then they have a security section here on their white paper as well, and then it says the end. So yeah, this token just got listed on CoinMarketCap today. Just be aware of that tax warning on CoinMarketCap there. Thoroughly do your own research. Now, I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section, what do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And check out all the referral codes down there in the description box. Get yourself some free crypto. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.